Top 5 things you can make with a 3D printer. Number 5. Gun. Gumball Dispenser. A gumball dispenser is a fun and mechanical machine that dispenses gumballs. Gumball dispensers can be designed in various creative shapes and sizes. Gumball dispensers are pretty easy to make and can be a whole lot of fun to build. Number 4. Shot glass. A shot glass is a small glass, usually used to serve alcoholic beverages. Shot glasses can be personalized with various designs and logos. Since they're only made with one material, they're pretty easy to make with a 3D printer. But remember, you must be at least 21 years or older to consume any alcoholic beverages in the United States of America. Number 3. Bullet holder. A bullet holder is a container used to hold and organize bullets for easy access. No longer will you lose your bullets when you're shooting a nigga that broke into your home. Bullet holders are simple to make, making them an excellent first 3D printer project. Number 2. Pistol grip. A pistol grip is a handle designed to fit a pistol. Pistol grips can be ergonomically designed for better comfort and control. You can also customize them with your very own designs to make them truly unique to you. But be careful, you must first check your local state and county laws to make sure you're not breaking the law when you 3D print a pistol grip. And if you are breaking the law, boogaloo. And the number 1 thing you can make with a 3D printer: guns, guns, guns. Guns, 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 guns. You can make guns with 3D printers. It's not that hard. Just download a model from the internet and follow the instructions. Anyone can learn how to do it. You can make guns with a 3D printer. You can make guns with a 3D printer. You can make guns with a 3D printer.